Dr. Sangeeta G. Kamath, holder in multiple diploma and doctorate in management, serial entrepreneur and social activist, multiple awards and accolades to her credit, business head of IPA since 2006, founder of Swayambhu, a social movement to help youth to tap their skills. Also started eGala Fun so that the kids and all of us, in fact the entire family, gradually familiarizes to online in a playful manner. She is a pioneer in training us for online classes right from March 28 and motivating us to adapt to the new normal. She is a mentor, guide, and a solid supporter to show us the right path with her flawless insights. Great pleasure to welcome you, ma'am. Request you to address our family. Thank you.
A very good evening, everyone. Ideal Play Abacus has addressed the pain points of every student. Yes, maths and English seems to be the pain point everywhere. It's either maths or English or sometimes both. Hence, we have a bouquet of programs, IPA programs for students in the age group 2 to 16. Abacus, Vedic Maths, UK Learning Box Phonics, Bright, which is British English, Grammar and Comprehension, Braintree, and various other art creative programs too. Without much ado, let us welcome our UK Learning Box students, teacher, and of course the center head, Mrs. Sumita Jain. Let us understand from them how were they able to decode letters into respective sounds and speak, read, think English fluently and really, really well. So over to our students for UK Learning Box. Hi Sumita, how are you doing?
I'm great, Sangeeta. How are you all?
I'm good too. Let's call upon now we meet Sumita Jain. Hi Sumita. So Sumita is a postgraduate MA in English Literature, and she specialized in phonetics in the year 1991. Sumita, are you there?
I'm there, but I think my video is, they have to start the video.
Shilpa, could you please help?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, one sec. Right.
Great. So Sumita, you have done your MA in English Literature,
Right.
and specialization in phonetics in the year 1991.
Yeah.
And you have your own school since a long time, since 1999, and you are a franchisee of UK Learning Box with us.
Right.
So in a very short span of time, hardly 2 years, you have around close to 250 students. To be very, very precise, 244 students. And that is amazing. So what has been your observation as far as an offline classroom session and online session is concerned?
See, basically, can you see me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, great. See, what is very, very important at this point of time is, as due to this pandemic, we have no other option but to treat this platform as the best. So we have used this platform equally as we were using the offline classes. So we introduce all the sounds, we make use of the books, we plan our lessons in such a way that children are beautifully following, listening, and every day we have an individual interaction with them. And that is really working out very well with us.
Perfect. Now you have learned phonetics in the year 1991.
Yeah.
What is the difference you find when you learned phonetics and the way it is being taught now via UK Learning Box?
See, basically, when we started our schooling or whatever, that time even I was in convent, so we were being taught how to say the sounds
Great.
and all. But
Right.
with my English as my specialization in phonics, we were being intonations, rise and fall, the correct transcriptions, like how the different vowels are being transcribed, how for everybody it is 5 vowels, but it is not like that. It is 24 vowels, and how the different combinations they make the pronunciations absolutely different. So
Perfect.
basically that gave me a good base, and it helped me using this program more effectively.
Why Learning Box? What did you find so fascinating about UK Learning Box? What are the top 5 favorites?
Okay, if I say the 5 favorites, the first thing is this UK Learning Box basically enabled us to give a formula. It is a formula where if children are given a formula, they will apply it and do it beautifully. You cannot make them cram things. So this formula, which you teach them, which they would use it and apply it. That is all. This UK English box really helped me a lot, whether it is starter, level 1 or level 2. In all the three levels, what we are giving them is the base. Base means, again, I would say, as in maths, there are equations, you teach them formulas, or you teach them what are the rules. So these are the rules that are making their language, the rules which will help them to read whatever words come, because here we are exposed to 5 to 6 words. How would they learn to apply it? That is exactly what this course has really helped me a lot.
Correct. Wonderfully, wonderfully said. What has been your experience teaching phonics, say, a decade ago and now?
See, basically, earlier we used to convince parents a lot. They were not knowing much about it. Yes, but would touch my parents always had a great trust in me. So, but now things are a little bit changing. They feel that if a good program is there, there is always in the market. They keep on asking me, ma'am, why so and so program? This program teaches this way. This program has this sound. I say sound of all alphabet is one only. People may be doing it in different ways, but I feel that due to this, I mean, this basic program is helping us towards the correct English. It is not the Hindi version of English. It is the
Perfect.
UK English version of English. Because see, I belong to a family where my dad is also a professor and a writer, and he is also in English. So I mean, he never thought we were being taught think in English, speak in English. So here is this program. I tell them think in English and speak in English.
Perfect. Well said. Because only when you think in a particular language can you speak well and really fluently. So, coming to thinking and talking and writing, there are many cases where a student or a child is able to write well, but is not able to speak as good. So, how
Right.
do you address this issue with UK Learning Box?
See, here what I feel is the sentences and the videos help us a lot. See, a teacher does communicate things to the child, but when it is reinforced by the videos, the child registers it very completely. And see, children are very small. They don't know, they don't have a preconceived any knowledge
Okay.
about anything. So when they see something, when they hear something, they perceive it and they register it as it is. So the audio visual power of it is something which I found it above anything. Because see, if the teacher थोड़ा सा भी pronunciation गलत हो गया, you can't do anything. But when they see the program, children pick it up so beautifully.
Perfect. Perfect. So now that you have mentioned that there are different ways of pronouncing well as writing well, there are some students who they are not in the age bracket which you refine, right? So like you have the starters, level 1, level 2, which commences from nursery or say junior KG. But there are students who are suppose in first or second standard and are not as good. So how would you encourage them to participate in the activity right from the first level or the basic level?
See, basically, that could be a kind of a crash course for them. Like they would, they don't have to go for undergo 6 months of each, but it can be dealt in such a way that the level 1 can be done in a crash way, but the level 2 and level 3 they need a extensive and a systematic study of it. So that is really going to help them out in the kids who are little lagging behind.
Right. Now, UK Learning Box is very structured and systematic, and it is meant for a particular age level wise. But like we discussed with a parent, she said that my child is 3 years old and she's already learning UK Learning Box. So, would you advise a child to start young, even at the age of 2.5, 3 to start?
See, basically, what I feel this program, the nursery that is starting from 2.6, 2.7, they should have the starter, and then junior KG, they should have the level 1. And before the child goes to first, they should complete level 2. So I feel it should be started early.
Are you able to see a marked difference in a child who has undergone this program versus a child who has just completed school studies?
This is what we are hearing from the parents. We are delivering and we are seeing the children, but when the parents come and tell us, ma'am, this my child is able to do even this, and believe me, for my school, I mean my kindergarten, UK English box is the TRP.
Perfect. Now you have a very, very large bandwagon of students. So 250 students, that is humongous in just a period of like 24 months. And considering the pandemic and all, I think you're doing amazing. So what is your strength when you teach online? Because if that was not powerful and effective, you wouldn't have so many students. So what is your strength teaching online?
We have around 15 to 16 children in one batch, and over that we have 3 teachers. So
okay.
Yes, we have 3. One is conducting, is hosting. Second teacher is for some interaction, because you cannot teach small children with a lecture method. You need to dramatize things. We 2 people are talking to each other and the children listen to us, and that makes it so effective. Because a child, directly, okay, children, whatever. I mean, I feel we have always, during our offline sessions as well as online sessions, we have maintained our pattern and methodology same. And that makes a child listen to you.
Perfect. Well said. So I would like to understand more about the batches. When it is offline, UK Learning Box is generally conducted for 2 hours once in a week. What is the schedule you follow online?
For us, what we see earlier last year, parents were very finicky about the screen time and all that stuff. So what we did was we had only 2 sessions in the week, and in that one session we primarily were doing only phonics and making them do everything that is related to that. We introduced the topic, we introduced the sound, we played a game with it, then we did some exercise, and then they wrote the alphabet. So that made it a complete stuff. And in spite of that, we were able to do it successfully. I mean, our parents, they feel that, and this is not my version. And then every week we had a revision session for all the kids. So in all we had 4 sessions, 4 batches of nursery. And these 4 batches we just did in like 15 children in each batch. We never increased the strength of because then you don't get to interact with them individually.
Besides the typical exercises which are mentioned in the book and the assignments guidelines, do you also have activities where you check and analyze the vocabulary of the child?
Yeah, we do that.
How do you go about? Yeah.
We do that because, see, basically, when we are doing our GK, like a general knowledge section, at that time, we ensure that we introduce a lot of new things to them, because for them, what is diction? Diction is knowledge, right? Getting to know the names of many things, getting to know the details about each and everything. So that was basically the vocabulary or the diction part. Yes, it we had to do other things in order to supplement. They were like supplements for our children, in order to improve their perception about words. And they were like, we always try to expose them to new words and new way of expressions. And we had done a lot of presentations, and the kids have done beautifully. We gave them a topic, they spoke about five. Initially we used to give 4 lines that were done in the nursery. For example, that an apple is a fruit and it is big, it's round. They used to say those 3 sentences with proper intonation. So we started presentations that way, and then we went for other things.
Right, right. Perfectly said. Well said, Shubita. We had a few parents who mentioned that they are quite involved, right? They pay attention and they are also present when the online class is happening. They are more aware now. So how do you involve the parents directly? Is there some assignment they need to do at home after the session?
Yeah. See, as the sessions were only twice in a week, every day, 8:30, we used to give a set of assignment to them that would take only 20 minutes, ideally, for a child to do. So when every day we were giving assignment, we were expecting parents to submit at one particular time. So 5 o'clock was a time where the submission used to happen. And if the child submits it first or second, or some incentives were given. So they were feeling so good of submission also. So they were looking forward, especially the senior KG. They were more responsible. Smaller kids, yes, they knew that, okay, I submitted my homework, that means teacher has given me medal. Kids don't want anything. They simply want some kind of appreciation in symbols, nothing else.
Correct. So you have all the blessings and, I think all thumbs up and kudos from every parent here. And that is delightful to see and understand that the parents are also involved, because only when you have an effective class, whether it is online or offline, can you receive such a fabulous response from parents who are working very, very hard and ensure that their teacher is doing complete justice in every session. I'm so glad we are meeting all the parents today, and it's wonderful to see you. Shivai Handa, the student, please.
Yeah.
Are you there, Shivai?
Yeah, he's there. Yeah, Anshu. Can you switch your video?
Hello.
Yeah, your video. Anshu Handa, your video on. Okay, I think some net issue. Yeah.
Am I?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello, Shivai. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thank you.
I do fine. Thank you.
Okay. Which standard are you in?
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Which standard are you studying?
No.
So we have a shy little child here. Yes, over to his mom.
I am nursery.
You are now 3
Hello?
years old.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Something mom would like to add in?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I would like to add in that apart from Shivai doing the UK English, my elder son has also done UK English, and I found it really important and the best way to build a English foundation, because this is what is the foundation for all the subjects that I see that the children are going to learn in future. So having a good English foundation is very important, and this course promises, and this course develops the fluency that a child needs at the basic level, the vocabulary building that a child needs, also the basic knowledge of the phonics, which is very important for all these things, and which in turns is building the confidence in a child to speak in public or to learn any other subject, is what I feel is very, very important, and I'm very happy with this course.
Correct, correct. Thank you so much. Uh, what do you
Most-
think is important? Starting early or starting
Yes.
very early?
No, I think starting very early, because when my elder son was 3 months old, I started showing him the pictures, and then I started telling him that this picture names this, and how do you pronounce that picture, and how do you speak about that picture, and which I feel developed that thing with him as he moved into playgroup, because when he moved into playgroup, it was very easier for him, but also with the course it was very easier, because this course developed what he had, what base I had made in the first year of his life. So I think starting very early is very important, and it helps a lot in the future.
Perfect. So, what is the difference you found? Your elder child has also completed the UK Learning Box. How many levels did he complete?
Yes. He has completed all levels. Now he is
All
in
levels.
first standard. Yes,
Okay.
he has completed all his levels. And the difference, what I found was in first standard, when I could see the difference between him and the other students, that, his English fluency was far better. His question answer formation was very fluent. There was less of grammatical mistakes, and thirdly, he was able to speak impromptu.
Ah.
I-
Very nice. That is spontaneous.
yes, impromptu
Yeah.
speaking was very good, as against he and his other classmates. So this is what I found was the base that helped him, uh, or
So here
separated
is
him, or made him fall apart from other students.
actually here
Correct.
is a mother of two kids who one child has already passed and one is pursuing.
Enrolled. Right. Right. Perfect. Perfect. So, Mrs. Handa, so you think the literally skills are better to be started early in life, and you are
Yes,
able to compare and understand that your elder child has an edge over the other students of his class, right?
definitely,
So,
definitely.
how is the younger one taking it? Is it equally good, equally effective?
Oh, yes, it is equally good, but with the pandemic coming in, because of less of classroom teaching, it's a little delayed. But yes, it's there. It's not that it's not there. The impact is not there. It's just a little delayed, because with that short duration of time that we give now to classroom teaching, and with the way teachers do, I believe they do it in a very different way, which we will never be able to do.
True.
Although Sumita teacher has taught us, do it this way, that way. But what an impact a teacher has, a mother cannot have, because students, kids take their mothers for granted, and they are at home,
True.
they are relaxed,
True.
and so
True.
that is there, but it's there. It's a little delayed, what I will say, but that's not the issue, what I feel.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us, and
Thank you
all the
so
very
much.
best to you and your lovely kids.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye.
So we understood from a very excited and happy mom that literacy skills are better learned the earliest. And just like a mother tongue, we don't have to wait for an auspicious age or a milestone to learn English or any other language. The earlier we start, the better it works, right? So let's move on to our next.
Net. Basically, the child is in senior KG. And see, I'm running this thing from the last 10 years. I mean,
Getting the
and I
thing.
really found that the way it nurtures, the way it gives the base to the children towards future learning, intonations, whatever area of English is concerned, it is covering everything, everything. So what I felt was like, as we say, the strong foundation. See, maths and English is the two basic foundation. And your UK English box, whether it is level 1 nursery or level 2, it has given them a perfect base. Now the children can beautifully read, and how they could read, they themselves didn't realize it came so naturally to them.
Perfect.
Yes, Kanak, you can add. I think their
I think there is some network
their
issue.
network
So
is
we can
like,
connect with them once again some other day.
Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah.
Kanak, and thank you, Mrs. Surana, for joining us. Wish we
Thank
had
you,
better
ma'am.
network so we could have interacted a few more minutes, right? Thank you.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you, Kanak, and bye-bye.
Bye.
Let's move on to Rashi Gaur, please. Rashi, are you there? Hello, Rashi.
Hi.
How do you do?
I'm in junior KG. Good
You are in junior KG. Okay. And since how long have you been learning learning box? Yes.
Long?
Yeah,
Say from 1 year.
for 1 year.
I couldn't quite get it. Yes, please. Come again.
1 year.
From my nursery.
1 year.
For
Oh.
my nursery class.
Okay. Okay. And what do you like about the program?
Speak, speak.
Yes.
I like a program and but I like
You like
Okay. I
everything.
think her mom can add on.
toys. I like
Oh, you
toys
like.
from a program.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Uh,
Yes. Mom would like to add something about UK, please. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, it was a amazing. First of all, good evening.
Good evening.
And yeah, it was an amazing and great experience for me, as my child was totally introvert. She was not able to speak a lot. She was able to understand everything about, like, I was a bit concerned about she's not talking, she's not into the speaking habit and all. But after doing this nursery session and the whole course of the phonics and everything, she's totally extrovert, and now I don't have to make so much of effort. I don't have to tell her to mug it up. Whatever she want to speak or something like that, I will just speak it, and she will able to learn just because of the language they are getting, or the phonics activities and whatever they are getting in the class, the online class. And for that matter, it's a great experience for her and for me also, ma'am.
Correct. Do you find it as effective online?
Extremely. Whether first of all, the school is the different experience altogether, but being into the situation is like, so many people are not enrolling in the online classes, and I have seen the difference. People are saying like no use of it, but I have experienced myself and have seen the difference in her. So she's totally involved in the class. We are getting the right path and the way to connect with the class and teachers and everything. So it is very much useful for them, very much useful, because abhi hum log we are guiding them, but by the proper guidance with the teachers and guiding with the videos and online classes, so they are very much interested in doing all the things by their own now, at least.
Correct. Has she also, have you also encouraged her to read more?
Yeah. Every day we are doing the storytelling and everything. In night I used to tell her the story, and I am not asking her to speak out the story. She is all time ready to say that, mama, this my turn, now I will going to tell the story. So that way she is like bit converting into that.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Any pointers you would like to share regarding UK Learning Box?
Till now it's a great one. We are having the great time with that, the course and everything. They are learning properly, and I know next year will also be the online classes only. So it's a smooth program. It's amazingly smooth program. So the basic is properly done, like for the sounds of the alphabets. Now
Correct.
they are so much into the sounds, and they know they properly know all the sounds, and now they are little bit able to blend them also, because they
Perfect.
are, yeah, they are so much comfortable in the particular alphabet sounds. So that is the reason they are now reading little bit, started the reading two letter words or blending of little bit of them. So that is the good thing about the course and everything.
What is the difference you found when she is learning alphabets and words and you learned it at your school?
It is totally different, ma'am. Totally different, because at our times, phonics was not so much into that reading and habit, but now it is into it. Like we were starting with the alphabets first, like A B C D. We used to learn the whole A B C D till Z, but now they are one by one with the alphabet and the sound. They are doing it together, so
Correct.
there will be no confusion with that. So
Perfect.
if they are learning A, so they will be learning the sound also. So
Yes.
for that, they are not getting into confusion. Otherwise, we have to make them learn whole alphabet, and again we have to start with the sound. So by this way, they are learning better than us.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. I think that is the crux of the entire program.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
we have 42 sounds and 26 letters, and here we don't learn it as capital A to Z and then small a to Z. No,
Yes.
we learn it together. You know, whether it is capital and small and the sounds connected, the relevant sounds, everything is done at one go. So there is no compartmentalization of any letter or alphabet, and that helps you to grow really quick. Fantastic, Priyanka. Thank you so much for joining us, and
Thank
all
you
the
so much.
very
Nice
best.
to talk to you, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye. Let's move on to Arushi Rawat. Arushi, are you there?
Hello.
Hi. How are you doing?
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, Arushi. How are you doing?
Fine.
You're doing fine. Okay. How did
How
you
are
spend
you?
your vacation? I'm good. I'm good. How did you spend your vacation?
Good.
Good. So what did you do? What did you do special today?
Stories and readings.
Okay. Let's move on to your mom and let me understand, are you a good student or a very good student? Yes, namaskar.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. Namaskar.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, I'm really blessed to have this Tiny Tots teacher as a mentor for my child. When she was in a junior KG, I was little worried, like how much efforts I have to put for her to read the words, to make the sentences. But truly, the way the teacher has helped her, she's so fluently reading the words, the sentences, and even she's able to understand the meaning as well. It's really a great journey for her.
Perfect. What would you like to add about our, our books, UK Learning Box books?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you please repeat it?
What would you like to add about our books, the UK Learning Box books?
Ma'am, it's like it's the full version of what the actually child is required, because the phonic sound is the base, is the pillar of the education. That is what included in your material. So the first attractive things in your school is the study material, which is really attracted to all the parents as well. So the way they are handling one by one steps for the phonic sounds, for the words, the two letters, blending sounds, that's all is so easy for them to read the sentences, such a big, and even to speak up very fluently. So that's like a full version what we actually want for the child.
Have you been attending classes, online classes for UK Learning Box with Arushi?
Yes, ma'am. I was attending because I wanted to understand how it will help me to teach my child as well. Because the way
So
teachers are doing,
what
we
did
are
you
just
find interesting? What did you find interesting, and you were surprised and you loved it?
first of all, the teacher, she is the way she teach. No, it's like 1.5. It's so eye catchy. No, it looks like we are sitting in the classroom. It never felt like we are in the school, like we are we are at the home. It never felt like that. So the teacher holds the students like they never go. Also, like mama, still more. Still, she keeps on asking me like I still want to continue the sessions and all. So the teachers teaching methods and all is very perfectly, and even they have in between they have a story games and all, like practical games they play. So that all makes them more happy and to attend the classes.
Correct, correct. So there are so many activities built up in the UK Learning Box software. So like very well she mentioned, whether it is music, whether it is singing, blending, writing, reading, and also comprehension. I think there is a lot of conversation which happens between the letters and the student. So anything you would like to add about the conversation which the software encourages?
Ma'am, I think they can like with the along with the academic things, they're having the other areas also. Like they have sometimes dance programs. They sometimes celebrate the festivals and all. This all like add the systems of the educations for them.
True, true. So how has UK Learning Box helped Arushi?
Ma'am, she was when I've started her senior KG class. Frankly speaking, she was not able to read the words also. But at the end of this year, she's fluently reading the sentences. She's making her own sentence writing on the about whatever topic she gets. She's able to write that topic. So that is like a big amazing part for me.
Thank you for joining us, and all the very best to your family and Arushi. Be safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Let's move on to Meetu Birani, UK Learning Box teacher. Yes, Meetu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Well, very
Hi,
good
Meetu,
evening
how
to
are you
you.
doing?
I'm good. Same for you.
Absolutely all well. It was wonderful connecting with your students and understanding how impressed they are and how they like you and adore you. I would like to understand from you as a teacher, has phonics been made easy, effective due to UK Learning Box?
Yeah, I absolutely. I'll go with you because of this program, this audio visual program. When we are not, when we the first 2 months, we just struggle to introduce the things with them. So the videos make it more easier for the kids to learn. So we switch on and switch off to the audio and video basis. So so they get the held of the phonics things, and after 2 months so they are so prompt, okay, no, and they are eager to learn more, and they want to see, and they want to read the sentences, they want to see all that thing, and the extra knowledge what they are getting, that is a truly plus point for every small kid. Like basically nobody will get such exposure what our kids are getting from the UK English this thing.
Correct.
This
So
program.
which are your top 5 elements, your favorite elements of UK Learning Box as a teacher?
As a teacher, first of all, it will be like the videos, the extra part of the videos when the cow is grazing and all that thing. They are looking where all the kids are so into to live there. And after that, the rhymes and the poetry is the singing part. My all kids are like on the mouth that anytime when the music starts, they also start with that thing. This is that thing. Then I just found in the books basically the exercise given, that is too good, that revise all the things and the sentences what they read. A nursery kid cannot read the sentence, but still we just try to, okay, the sun and is that like that thing. So this I found very good, and though the people will think, or what you all are going to do like that thing, but that is a very good thing. More exposure, more learning, more vocabulary, more fluency, like that thing.
Perfect, perfect. In UK Learning Box, every alphabet, every sound is taught by a different animal, bird, or a different entity. And like she very correctly mentioned, there are a lot of videos and clippings where the child goes with the animal or the bird. He visits fields, visits museums, visits tables. So there's a lot of outdoor which is happening on the screen.
Yeah.
So it is audio visual medium, and it's a multimedia medium. Plus, it takes care of your reading skills, listening skills, because we have seen many people pronounce the words wrong. And
Yeah.
that is happening because we have been reading it and we have not been listening to it. So here what happens is you are listening to it, you are writing, and there is various, there are a panel of questions which actually helps you and encourages you to converse. And
Yeah.
that is ultimately the goal. The goal is not just to read what is in the book, the goal is to read what is in some other book or some other place, right? So
Yeah.
new words, you must be able to read a new word correctly, you must be able to pronounce a new word correctly, and you must be able to spell a new word correctly is the objective of this program. Right,
Yeah.
Neetu?
Yes, I'll add on to you when the kids are doing level 2. The most toughest part is that the blending and the diphthongs and everything. But like once they are through with that, they make so spelling so easily. The way they pronounce, that is the level 2 is the awesome one. Level 1 and level 2, though they are the awesome also, but level 2 like gives immense, like our kids are reading like that thing, we feel very good in that thing.
Correct, correct. So besides the program of UK Learning Box, which are the various activities you add on in every session to make it interesting?
And we just give more worksheets on that thing also. And then on the sometimes with the puppet shows we are doing that thing, and sometimes we just write the or draw the pictures, you have to say the words and all that thing. And many more new activities, okay, with the sand and salt, okay, make a what's the sound of a and all that thing. And sometimes with the flashcards we are using, and likewise we are day to day we just plan one activity for the weeks, and we do like that thing.
Correct. So to make it interesting, we already have the fantastic AV of Learning Box. But besides that, we need to have some positive vibe and energy in the classroom, especially when it is online.
Yeah.
And here we have a panel of activities which will ensure that each child is attentive and enjoying every session. So thank you, Meetu. Thank you for joining us.
Thank
Look
you.
forward to meeting you soon.
Sure. I'm also looking forward. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Be safe. Yes, all. May I request everyone present here, the students and the parents, to please have your video on.
Yeah. I mean, I'm really very thankful to the parents also who believed in us. They followed what I said. They followed every word I said. And definitely, see, basically, there are three things for a teacher: the tool, talent, and time. UK Box was a tool for me. I had a talent. We used,
Absolutely.
and yes, we gave them optimum time by the ratio of the class. If there are less children, we are able to talk more to the children, and that is time. So these three things, when blended together, this is the result. What we see, what you heard from all the parents.
Correct, correct. So I think with the right tool, the perfect talent, and appropriate time, we are able to have an effective session every time, all the time. So great going. And thank you, parents and kids, for joining us. Wishing you a fabulous weekend, and be safe, stay safe, and take care of each other. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Okay. Bye
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.